This quick video will help you learn how to navigate Windows 8. As you can see, I'm on the desktop version of my laptop or tablet. If I swipe in from the right-hand side, several options are going to pull up. The middle option is called the Charms button, where it says Start. If I click there, it will bring you to your app screen. Each app is going to represent an app or a website or your desktop. So if I click desktop, I can toggle back and forth from the desktop to the Start screen. Swipe back in and go to Start. Also, if I swipe up, you'll see all of the apps on your computer and all of the programs. Come back down. Another way to find apps and programs is to swipe from the right and go to Search, and you can type in anything you're looking for. In this case, we'll type in Microsoft Word or Word, and you can see Microsoft Word pulls up. So I click there and I will be taken directly to Microsoft Word. If I go back to my Start screen, if you hold down on any app, say I'll take my Mail app here, I can actually move this around anywhere that I would like that app to be. Remember that you can only get apps from home and not on the school server. So if there is a certain app that you want, like I have the photo editor here by Avery, you'll actually need to get that from home, but then you can use it here at school. If you click on an app, you can choose to unpin from Start, but I would leave especially the desktop. You're going to want to leave that where it is. I'm going to swipe right again. This time let's explore the Settings button. If I click on Settings, you can see that first of all I'm connected to the internet under Staff. You should be connected under Student. If you want to check, you can click that button there, make sure Student is connected, and you want airplane mode to be turned off. You can also see that if I click Power, this is where you can put your tablet to sleep, shut down, or restart. You want to put your tablet to sleep in between classes to make sure to save your battery. You can also click the sleep button at the top of the tablet. From the Settings tab, you will also see that you can find your control panel. You can also search for control panel. This is very important. I'll show you how you can run your core apps. You're going to want to do this about every month or so just to ensure that your tablet keeps up to date with all of the programs. So if you go to Get Programs from your control panel, it's going to load a few programs. Student and teachers have different options, but you'll have a lot of the same options as the teachers. One thing is core apps. So every once in a while you'll want to install your core apps and let that run through the process to update everything on your tablet. Also, if you need multiple browsers such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, you'll want to get these from Get Programs to make sure that you do not get any kind of malware on your device. From Settings, you can also go to Change PC Settings to find many different options here. If I go to PC and Devices, you can see that Power and Sleep, you can choose how long, like on battery power, it goes to sleep and when plugged in. This is a great way to go through and save some battery. Also, corners and edges. You can see that right now, when you swipe from the left-hand edge, it's going to switch between most recent apps. You have the choice to turn that on or off. I actually prefer mine off, but I'll show you the default. So right now, if I swipe from the left side of the screen, it's going to bring me to my last viewed page. If I turn that off, now when I swipe left from the desktop, it's going to show me everything that I have open. Remember that if you are using a mouse, rather than swiping, you can hover your mouse in the bottom right-hand corner to pull up your charms here. So you've got Search, Start, and your Settings are going to be the three that we went over today. And then also if I put my mouse in the bottom left-hand side, you're going to see you can toggle to your Start screen from here as well. Windows 8 may be new to a bunch of you, but I encourage you to go ahead and customize the tablet in a way that it best fits your needs.